everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi if you guys are new, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and tuning in again. So today's video is a very special video. I have a unboxing. It's a birthday gift from myself and also my loved ones as well. I actually had full intentions on buying this item myself, and I was going to, but I have been just grateful and very lucky and just full of love right now. I have no words to explain this to you guys, and if you hear anything that's like thumping, I'm so sorry. I have the kittens out here, they're playing, so I hope you guys don't mind, but I'll try to get through this video fairly quickly. But if you guys want to stay tuned for the end of the video, I do have a little gift for you guys as well, so make sure you guys stay till the end for that. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Also, my future videos, I have longer hair, so please ignore that. I did get a haircut, so I wanted to get this video up before, so all my older videos you might see me with longer hair, and this is the reason why I wanted to get this video up for you guys, because I know you guys were waiting for this video because I posted on Instagram and you guys really wanted to see the video. So this is the bag that it came in. So I did do an initial unboxing on TikTok, so that's why I don't have the ribbon on here right now. The ribbon is actually inside, and I put the flower on here for you guys. So if you guys want to see how the original packaging looks like, go ahead and check out my TikTok. But I thought you guys wouldn't mind because it's still like a more in-depth unboxing here on this channel. This is a really big box. And here I have my receipt, ribbon that it came with. This card on here has like the date of purchase, the serial number, where I purchased it at, and my name on here. So this has like private information on here, so I'll leave this to the side. I've never had that card before, so this must be a new thing that they've been doing. But here is a little booklet here with pictures. And then in this booklet we have the cloth in here. And here is the packaging, the sticker. Here is the dust bag, and all the classic flaps come with this special dust bag. I talked to a lot of you guys on Instagram and here on YouTube, and you were asking me, when's the next unboxing? What Chanel are you gonna get next? And I feel like some of you had an inkling this was going to be the next one, just based off my collection the way it is. And I'm so excited to introduce this bag to my collection, and I'm really grateful and thankful to be able to share this with you guys today. So let's go ahead and reveal the bag. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I did get another black bag, okay? I know you guys are probably thinking I have a lot of black bags, but it just goes with so much, and I think like this is so classic, so I had to get it in black. So I got the black with gold hardware. So I wanted to add a black bag with gold hardware to my collection because I don't actually have a black bag with gold. My mini is champagne gold, so sometimes it looks light gold, sometimes it looks silver. So that's why a lot of you guys thought I had a mini with silver hardware, but it's not. It's actually champagne gold. So let me give you guys a little close up of this beauty. So I got it in caviar. So pretty. Here's the back. I will be doing mod shots in the end, so stay tuned for that. So this is my first Chanel that is new to the little chip on the inside, so I'll show you guys real quick what that looks like. But here is the double flap, and then on the inside there's a chip. I don't know if you guys can see the little square thing in there. So Chanel's been doing this to replace the authenticity card as well as the hologram that would sit in the corner of the bags. I think this might be a little bit better because I heard that sometimes those stickers fall off, and this serial number looks like it's a lot more sturdier, so that's great to have, I feel. I think it still should have came with like a authenticity card, like an actual one. Like the one they gave me, it was handwritten, but I feel like that's not good enough to me. I think they should still give out the cards, but that's just my preference and my thoughts on that. So I want to go in and talk to you guys about why I chose this one. So after using my aunt's bag for a little bit, I realized that I do want this in gold, just from using it and seeing it, like, you know, pretending it's in my collection, you know, a silver one. And I just knew from then that I did want to add a gold hardware black bag, and this is the perfect one to do that with. So I'm really happy with my choice on the gold hardware. So the reason why I went with a medium instead of a small is because the small holds as much as the mini, and owning the mini already, I felt like it wasn't necessary to get the small. However, I do love the small when they have seasonal colors, like all the pretty colors that they come out with. I love them so much, and I think if I was to add a small to my collection, I would definitely look for a small size for those, because then it's not too big of a surface area. I wouldn't be that worried about, you know, color transfer and things like that. And with this bag, I feel like I'm getting closer to purse piece because I've just been lusting over this bag, and every time I see someone wearing it, I'm just like, oh, I love it. I love it so much. I can't wait to add it. And I do want to do a couple of videos of this bag, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to see those future videos. So I originally wanted to do this giveaway in a vlog, but I felt that I knew I was going to get this bag for my birthday, and I wanted to actually incorporate it in this video because I feel like around this time I'm receiving a lot of gifts and love from all my friends and family, and I want to extend that to you guys as well, because you guys are, you know, what makes my channel here. Like, you guys support me, leave comments, and subscribe to my channel, and even like on Instagram when you guys DM me to check in on me. I really appreciate everybody and everyone who has been so kind, and I'm really appreciative to you guys, and this is my little gift to you guys. So one of you will be getting this. If you guys are frequent viewers on my channel, you guys know I love doing gift boxes. I've done gift boxes for giveaways in the past, and I wanted to do one today for you guys, and in here you will be getting some Chanel goodies. I wanted to make this gift box, you know, a box of things that I love and share that with you guys. And I wanted to make this box something that anyone can use the items in here. And I got sunscreen in here from Innisfree, one of my favorites. The Chanel bottle, I know you guys are eyeing this. It's the Chanel Factory 5 water bottle that you cannot find anywhere. You can only get it on like Poshmark or eBay, and they're going for a lot of money. So I have one for you guys. If you guys hear any noise, I apologize. We do have gardeners right now, so if you hear anything, that's what it is. So this is something I wanted to give to you guys mainly because I know how hard it is to get this water bottle, and here it is. There is a lot of Chanel goodies in here for you guys. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below with your Instagram handle as well. You can leave any kind of comments, and you can enter once per day because I don't want you guys to get, you know, flagged for spam. So this will be open, I don't know how long, but I'll leave the actual dates in the description box down below or on the screen here. So we'll see about that because I don't know when this video is going to get edited and uploaded. But yeah, so you guys have multiple chances to win. This is just a little care box from me to you. All right, everyone, that's it to this video. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck to everyone on the giveaway. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.